Welcome in. Pull up a chair because this is where the real Ccna journey begins. In Module 0, Lesson 3, we're stepping into the Cisco IOS command line, the single most important skill you'll build on the road to 200-301. Think of the CLI as your cockpit. Every router, every switch, every troubleshooting session starts right here at the prompt. So go ahead and type enable with me. Let's navigate the command line like a pro. So what exactly is this thing we're typing into? IOS, the Internetwork Operating System, is the software living inside every Cisco router and switch, and the CLI is how you talk to it. No mouse, no windows. Every configuration is a typed command, consistent across the entire Cisco family, and incredibly powerful once it's in your fingers. Keep an eye on the prompt on the right. Notice how it shifts from a greater than to a hash to config to configif. That prompt is your compass. It always tells you exactly where you are. Let's follow that compass through the 3 modes you'll live in every single day. When you log in, you land at router greater than. That's user exec. Look but don't touch territory. Type enable and the prompt flips to rotor hash. Privileged exec, where you can run show commands, copy configs, and reload the box. From there, configure terminal drops you into router config hash, global config where actual changes happen. Going up takes enable and configure terminal. Coming back down, just exit or end. Now, before we go deeper, let's arm you with the shortcuts that turn a slow typist into a fluent one. Tab auto-completes whatever you've started. Type conf and tab, and iOS finishes configure for you. The question mark is your built-in mentor. Hit it anywhere and the CLI tells you exactly what's valid next. Up and down arrows replay your history. Ctrl+Z bails out of a runaway command, and Ctrl+Z snaps you straight back to privileged mode from anywhere in config. Honestly, tab and question mark alone will carry you through the entire exam. All right, time to put your hands on the keyboard. Open Packet Tracer, drop a router onto the workspace, click into its CLI tab, and walk this exact sequence. Enable into privileged mode, configure terminal to drop into global config, rename the device to R1, exit back out, then show running config to admire your work, and finally write memory to save it. And please type every character yourself. Copy-paste teaches your clipboard. Typing teaches your fingers. Muscle memory is the whole point. And that's a wrap on this lesson. Next time, we're stepping up from a single router to your first real topology, wiring devices together, planning the links, and watching a small network come alive in Lesson 4. If this helped you make sense of the CLI, hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss it, and you'll find the full course over at Dargslan.com. See you at the next prompt.